SafePal Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the SafePal Wallet app is that it's far more than just a crypto storage tool. It's a full ecosystem built for both beginners and advanced traders. But is it really as safe and convenient as it sounds? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. First, the pros. SafePal was founded in 2018 and quickly gained attention after being backed by Binance Labs. That alone gives it a credibility boost. The wallet supports over 100 blockchains and thousands of tokens, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Solana and even digital assets. Whether you're holding NFTs or staking crypto, SafePal has you covered. One of the biggest selling points is its hybrid design. You can choose between the SafePal hardware wallet, a completely offline device, or the mobile app version, which connects seamlessly with decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and Uniswap. The app even includes a built-in browser for dApps, meaning you can trade, stake and swap without ever leaving the wallet. Another plus, security. SafePal uses advanced encryption, self-destruct mechanisms and code-only transactions for hardware use. That means no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi vulnerabilities. And with the app, you retain full custody of your private keys, so your assets stay truly yours. But now, let's talk about the cons. While SafePal's hardware wallet is secure, it can feel less intuitive for total beginners compared to Ledger or Trezor. The app version also depends heavily on network stability, and its DeFi integrations can sometimes be overwhelming if you're new to crypto. Some users have reported occasional lag during swaps for NFT interactions. Still, for users who want an all-in-one crypto control center, SafePal stands out. It balances affordability, versatility, and strong security in a way few competitors do. In the end, SafePal is a powerful option, especially if you value independence and cross-chain freedom. But as always, the key is understanding your comfort level with security and complexity before diving in. Stay smart, stay secure, and keep your crypto in your control.